Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best Pink Meal Prep Containers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, especially when you're juggling a busy schedule and trying to make nutritious choices consistently. These vibrant and practical containers are designed to help you organize your meals, keep them fresh, and make healthy eating on the go a breeze, transforming your approach to food preparation and consumption with their cheerful aesthetic and functional design. Number 5. FineDine 24-piece glass storage containers with lids. Experience the durability and clarity of these premium borosilicate glass food storage containers. They are perfect for everyday use, offering a long-lasting and high-quality kitchenware solution. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure a perfect seal, ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers while maintaining flavor. Simplify your cooking and reheating with these oven and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design allows for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven, perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether storing large meals or organizing your pantry, these stackable glass containers meet all your storage needs. Their efficient design maximizes space in your cabinets and fridge. Prioritize your health with these BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Enjoy the convenience of leak-proof and dishwasher-safe glass food storage. These containers are designed for easy cleanup and reliable storage of your meals. What we like? Experience superior durability with this premium borosilicate glass. Its airtight seal keeps food fresher for longer, making it perfect for meal prepping or storing leftovers. If you prioritize long-lasting quality and want to maintain the flavor of your meals, you should consider this option. What people say. The containers are microwave safe, allowing for easy reheating of meals. They are also dishwasher safe, which simplifies the cleaning process after use. The leak-proof design ensures that food stays contained, preventing spills during transport. Number 4. CREST Glass Meal Prep Containers, 10-pack. Introducing our 10-pack glass meal prep containers. They are perfect for preparing meals at home and taking them on the go, whether to work, the gym, or while traveling. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, these containers are safe for use in the oven up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also suitable for freezer storage, microwaves, excluding lids, and dishwashers. Our containers feature an airtight and leak-proof design, ensuring no spills. The lids are made from eco-friendly materials for secure food storage. When not in use, these containers can be stacked neatly inside each other, saving you valuable space in your kitchen. They are designed for easy storage. While the containers are dishwasher safe, we recommend hand washing the lids to preserve the silicone sealing strip. This ensures their longevity and performance. We stand by our product. If you receive any damaged or defective items, or encounter issues during daily use, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? Enjoy peace of mind with lead-free borosilicate glass and truly leak-proof lids. This versatile set is ideal for taking meals to work, the gym, or while traveling. If you need reliable containers that prevent spills and are safe for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. The containers are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. They are stackable and save space in the refrigerator. The lids fit tightly and prevent leaks. Number 3. Cook with color 12-piece nesting mixing bowls with lids. Introducing a practical and easy-to-clean kitchen essential. This set is perfect for all your food preparation, serving, and storage needs. You'll receive 6 durable plastic bowls along with 6 tight-fitting TPR lids. They come in a range of convenient sizes, from small prep bowls to larger serving bowls. Crafted from BPA-free, food-safe polypropylene, these bowls are built to last. They are also top-rack dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and freezer safe for ultimate convenience. The included lids make storing and transporting your food incredibly simple. They are ideal for everything from cut fruits and salads to snacks, whether you're at home or on the go. We are committed to your complete satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out so we can ensure your experience is a positive one. What we like? Simplify your kitchen with this set of nesting plastic bowls in various sizes. They are made from BPA-free, food-safe material and come with tight-fitting lids for easy storage and transport. If you're looking for a space-saving solution for food prep, serving, and snacks, these bowls are a practical pick. What people say. I like the clear top to see what's in it and the multiple sizes that nest well. The lids fit tightly to keep food secure and liquids in the bowl, but are also easy to remove when needed. My favorite part, they stack together perfectly to save me space in my kitchen. Number 2. Bentgo Prep 20-piece 3-compartment meal prep containers. Introducing the number 1 brand pick for meal prep containers. This set is lightweight and portable, perfect for taking your meals on the go. Achieve your health goals with ease. Each container's capacity and embossed measurements simplify portioning for balanced meals. The clear lids keep everything fresh and organized. Crafted from durable, PFAS, and BPA-free materials, these are built to last. Make the sustainable choice by ditching single-use plastics for these reusable options. Enjoy ultimate convenience. These are safe to use in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. Your purchase includes 10 3-compartment trays and 10 custom-fit lids. You'll also receive our dedicated customer support. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or leftovers, these containers are ideal for any meal. Take them to work, school, or the gym with confidence. What we like. Achieve your health goals with these 3-compartment trays designed for easy portion control. Made from durable, PFAS and BPA-free materials, they are perfect for balanced meals on the go. If you are focused on healthy eating and need convenient containers for work or school, these are an excellent selection. What people say. These containers are great for portion control and keeping meals separate. The lids seal tightly, preventing leaks and keeping food fresh. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup easy. Number 1. Bentgo Prep 20-piece 2-compartment meal prep containers. Introducing the number 1 brand pick for meal prep containers. This set is lightweight and portable, perfect for taking your meals on the go. Achieve your health goals with ease. Each container's capacity and embossed measurements simplify portioning for balanced meals. The clear, stackable lids keep everything fresh and organized. These are made from durable, safe materials, designed for repeated use. Make the sustainable choice and say goodbye to single-use plastics. Enjoy ultimate convenience. They are safe to heat, store, and clean. Simply reheat your food from the fridge or freezer, and pop the trays in the top rack of your dishwasher. This set includes 10 2-compartment trays and 10 custom-fit lids. You'll also receive caring customer support. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or leftovers, these containers are ideal for meals on the go. Take them to work, school, or the gym with confidence. What we like. Support your healthy meal plans with these 2-compartment trays, offering precise portioning. Constructed from tough, PFAS and BPA-free materials, they are ideal for packing balanced lunches and snacks. If you prefer a slightly different portioning strategy and need durable, reusable containers for daily use, these are a fantastic option. What people say. They look so cute and the color is perfect. There is a lot of food capacity in them and it is really easy to stack them up and fit them in a cabinet or small space. Keeps food separated and fresh. Can be used in dishwasher and a freezer. Leak-proof. Easy to use. I love the portion size and the fact that they're made with 2 compartments, which equates to the exact amount of veggies I need per meal. I love how easy they are to clean, and most of all the fact that I'm able to throw them in the dishwasher. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.